Good morning, good morning. Hello, Mas, Anna. Mas, can you say good morning? Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning. How are you? Have you taken your breakfast already?
I'm fine.
Okay. You eat your breakfast already? Hi, Shane. Hi, Shane. Good morning, Shane.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Oh, Mas is smile. You have a very beautiful smile, Mas. Very good. Mas and Shane always smiling. Anna, can you smile? I want to see your smile, Anna. Oh, very good. Yeah, you are so cute. I miss you. Okay. Are you ready for your math? I want you to prepare your worksheet. Okay. I want to prepare this worksheet about shapes. About shapes. Your worksheet about shapes. We are going to answer this one. Okay, prepare first this one while we are waiting the others. You have this one with you, Shane? This worksheet and also Mas? Mas, is your worksheet ready? Anna? Yes. Also, yes, that one. Anna, you prepare first your worksheet, Anna. Prepare this worksheet, Anna. You have to prepare this one. Okay. And also, Shane, is your worksheet ready? Okay, now I think we can start. Okay. I prepared this one for you. Listen to this. Oh, we have Pat. Pat is coming. Good morning, Pat. Good morning, Pat. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.วิชาสังคม
Okay. So, Pat, you prepare first your worksheet, Pat. This one.
I am not yet.
Worksheet. Okay.
Yeah, not yet.
About the shapes. About the shapes. Your math worksheet. Math worksheet.
Oh, this now I am in Chiang Rai. I'm not in Phetchabun. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just you don't have this worksheet. This one. Hi, Nisha. Good morning, Nisha. You prepare this worksheet.
We don't have teacher.
Oh, you don't
right
have.
now not in Phetchabun. I am in Chiang Rai.
You just have to listen here first, Pat. Just listen and cooperate. You just have to answer my question here, Pat. Okay? Yeah. And when you can get this worksheet, it's easy for you to answer already. Okay? Okay, Pat. You just listen, Pat, this time. Okay? Nisha, you have to prepare this worksheet, Nisha. Okay? Yes. Oh, Nisha, you answered already. Okay, very good. So you have to listen, but if you don't have worksheet yet, just listen so you can answer your worksheet easily when you have it already. Okay, so I prepared this one for you.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, so let us start. Today, let us okay, just a minute. Okay, welcome to our math class. Okay, just a minute. Okay, Nisha. Hi, Nisha. Good morning. Okay. So let's start now. Okay, our topic for today is about shapes. Okay, we have this different kind of shapes. So let us continue. Listen to this one. I want you to check this one out. Listen to this one first. You like it? Okay, now let us continue. Okay. Okay, here's the shape. I will check first. Okay, now let us continue. Okay, this one and okay, we have to guess the shape. Okay, so look at this one. This one is guess the shape. Okay, let's continue. Why cannot move? Just a minute. Okay. Okay, shape. What is shape? Shape is an element. Who is that? Tan. Hi, Tan. Good morning, Tan. Good morning. Okay. Okay, shape is an element. Shane, you have to prepare your worksheet, Shane. Okay, about shapes. Your math worksheet 10. Okay, a shape is an element of art. Specifically, it is an enclosed space, the boundaries of which are defined by other elements of art. Okay, shapes, geometric or organic, add interest. Okay, this is the definition of shape. Shapes are defined by boundaries such as lines or color. Everything is ultimately a shape. Okay, that is the definition of shape. Now let's go continue. So we have different kind of shapes, right? We have different kind of shapes that we need to identify. We need to identify the different kind of shapes. Okay, so we have here, look at this picture. I will help you identify this one. This one is octagon. Okay, this kind of shapes, we call this one octagon. Can you say it? Octagon. Octagon. Yes, very good. Octagon, yes. And this kind of shape, we call this one square. Square. Can you say it? Square. Square, yes, very good. And we have this one. This shape, we call this one triangle. Triangle. Can you say it? Triangle. Everybody listen first, and you have to open your mouth, okay? You have to answer the question, okay? Okay, we have here this kind of shape. We have this one is circle. Yes, circle. This kind of shape is circle. We call this one circle. And how about this one?
Oval.
Oval. Yes. This shape is oval. Okay. And how about this one? This shape is cube. Okay. Cube. Okay. Very good. And this kind of shape, we call this one. Here. This one is cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Okay. We call this one cylinder. Okay, now let's go to another shape. This one. What kind of shape is this? This one is pentagon. Yes, very good. Very good, Shane. Icha, very good. Look at here, pass. Apat. Pass. Okay, Anna. Okay, you have to answer. Try to answer, okay? Look at here. Then. Okay. Okay, so item, look at here, item. So we have, and this kind of shape is, you know what is this? We call this one rectangle. Yes, very good. This one is rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So, and we have this one. And we have this one of shape. We call this one as sphere. Sphere. Okay? This kind of shape is sphere. And this one is trapezoid. Okay? Trapezoid. Okay, this one is a trapezoid shape. Now let's go to this one. And this kind of shape is parallelogram. Okay? Parallelogram. Okay, so we have, you see, we have many different kind of shapes. Okay? We have many different kind of shapes that we need to study and we need to identify. Okay? When you can see this kind of shapes anywhere, so you can identify what kind of shape is that. Okay? So shapes, studying and learning about shapes is also very important. Okay? Now let's go to this one. So this is almost about talking about our topic. So we will, in this slide, we will check about the basic shape. The shape that we usually saw anywhere. We have basic shape and we have to identify also the color. Okay? Because your worksheet is you need to identify the basic shapes and also the colors. Okay? Shapes and colors. Okay? Because you are going to color this worksheet. Okay? Okay, now let us continue. Can you identify this kind of shape? Can you tell me? This one, Shane? What shape?
Green.
Green. The color is green and the shape is?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay, Nicha. What shape is this?
Green.
Green. And the shape is?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. 10. 10. What shape is this 10?
Green.
10.
Green.
Green. And the shape is?
Rectangle.
Shape is?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Now let's go to mass. Mass. What shape is this mass?
ไม่ใช่สี่เหลี่ยมจัตุรัสเหรอ
Mass. What shape is this?
นี่สี่เหลี่ยมผืนผ้านะลูก
Mass.
Green.
Green. And the shape is?
Green.
Yes, green. And the shape is? Rectangle. Yes, very good. And let's go to Pat. Pat, what shape is this? What shape is this? Pat? What shape is this, Pat? Pat, this one is? Rectangle. Can you say it, Pat? Rectangle. Pat? Okay, open your mouth. Rectangle. Come on, Pat. Rectangle. And the color. Rectangle. Yes. And the color is? Pat. And the color is? Green. Pat, look at here. Okay. Okay, now let's go to item. Item. Okay, item. Look at here. What color is this? Color is? Color? Color item? I cannot hear you. Color?
Green. Green.
Okay, green. And the shape is?
Green.
Rectangle. Rectangle, okay? Rectangle. Okay, item? Okay. Rectangle. Okay, very good. Now let's go. Okay, let's go to Okay, this one. Another shape is this one. Shane, what shape is this, Shane? And the color? This one, Shane. Try, what is this one, Shane? This one, Shane. Gray. And the shape is? Shape is? Triangle. Very good. Anna. What shape is this, Anna? Anna? What color is this, Anna? Color? Huh? Gray. Very good. And then the shape is, Anna? The shape is? Triangle. Very good. Now let's go to this shape. We have this one. You know what is this, right? Okay, Mas, what shape is this, Mas? Mas, look at here. What shape is this? Mas? Star. Yes. And what color? Color? Yellow. Very good. And how about Pat? Pat, look at here, Pat. Pat. What shape is this, Pat? Pat, look at here. What shape is this, Pat? What?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. This is color yellow. And shape? What shape? Star. Very good. And now let us continue. Okay, we have this one, color blue, and the shape is circle. Okay, color blue, and the shape is circle. And this one is red. We have this red sheep, and the color is? This one is a heart, and the color is red. Very good. This one color? Red. Everybody say red. And we have this one. Yes, and this one is orange. Okay, color orange, and the shape is square. Okay, and now let's go to this one. We have this one, color purple, right? Color purple, and the shape is semicircle. Semicircle. So we have different kind of shape. So look at this one first. I want you to check this one. The different color. Okay? Different color.
ABC Kid TV's new name.
Colors now, right? Okay. So you like that video? Now let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. So we have this one now in your worksheet. This is in your worksheet, right? Bye bang. You have this one already, bye bang, your worksheet. Bye bang. You have this worksheet already with you. You have to answer this one, okay? So we need to color. Okay, the different. Yes, that one. Yes, that one. You need to color your worksheet. Look at this one here. You can follow me if you want. So you need to color the circle color green. We need to color the square color blue. Okay. We need to color the heart color red. And we need to color the star color yellow. Wait, must you need already? Okay, very good. So you need to identify, you need to color the shapes according to the direction, okay? So now let's go to circle. So we need to color circle color. Color? Green. Yes, very good. We need to color the circle color green. And for about the heart color? Red. Okay, you have to color the heart color red. And we have to color the star color. What is the color of the star? Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. You have to just color like that. And circle again. We need to color this one color. Color? Green. Very good. And now let's go to square. What color the square is? Square? Blue. Very good. So we need to color the square blue. And about the circle again? Circle?
Green.
Green. Okay, we have to color this one color green. And we have here triangle again. We need to square again. We need to color this one color. Blue. Okay, very good. Now let's go to color the heart color. Red. Okay, just like that. You just have to color. Okay, you have to color according to the instruction. Okay, and the circle is color. Color. Green. Okay, very good. And for the heart, we need to color color red. Very good. And star is color yellow. Okay, you have to do like this. And another star, red, yellow. Okay, just do like this. You have to color. And about we are now in square again. Color. Square. Okay. All of you have to answer. Okay, open your mouth. Okay. And the star is yellow. We need to color the star color yellow. And about the square, square is color blue again. Just do like that. And we have our last chip. Red. You are all very good. So just do like this, okay? You have to finish your worksheet. Okay, you have to finish your worksheet, okay? Okay, Shane, very good. You finished already. Nicha, can I see your work, Nicha? Are you finished, Nicha? Okay, okay, very good. And how much you have to keep your worksheet there, okay? And you have your worksheet with you? Have you answered it, Hannah? Okay, you have to answer it, Anna, okay? Like this. Just do like this. And item, you have your worksheet with you? Have you answered it for item? Have you answered your worksheet?
Item don't have sheet.
You have? Can I see your worksheet? Have you answered it like that?
Don't have teacher.
Anna, you have to give this one. We have this one.
Don't
in
have
our
sheet,
book.
teacher.
Yeah, you can pick this one up here. So item can answer ka, okay?
Yes.
Okay. You have to pick this one up, item. And also 10. Are you finished 10? 10? You finished? Okay. 10 also. 10 finished. Very good. Yes. And Mas, are you finished, Mas? Are you still answering, Mas? Pat, are you? Okay. And Baibang, yes. Very good, Mas. Very good, Mas. Mas is finished. And how about Baibang is still working? Okay. So, Baibang and Anna, so you have to pick up your worksheet here so you can answer, okay? And Baibang, you have to finish it. Very good, Baibang. Okay, you are very good. So, our time is already up. I want to say thank you and see you in I'll see you tomorrow, okay? We only have math for today. And I want to say thank you, Tito, for listening and for answering your worksheet, okay? Then, Bas, Pat, Nicha, Anna, Baibang, and we have Shane. Shane, okay? So, item, all of you, Tito, thank you so much for listening. And this is all for today, okay? Thank you. I love you, Tito. Heart for the first. Heart. Okay, Anna. Okay, bye. Tito. Mas, bye. I want to see your heart, Mas. Okay, very good. So, thank you so much, Tito. I love you and I miss you so much. Okay? I love you.